Welcome to Tech Pragna. Today we are going to discuss about embedded system. What is embedded system? Embedded system is a combination of hardware and software. Embedded system where we are using, that is all electronics item is called a embedded system. For example, we have lot of example for embedded system we can say, that is for the best example we can see washing machine, refrigerator, traffic, ATM machine, ticket counting machine, vending machine. We have lot of components, all are called embedded system. What is embedded system? Embedded system we have a two type of embedded system. One is hardware section, another one is software section. Okay. Hardware section. Hardware section is considered classified into two types. One is microcontroller, another one is microprocessor. Microcontroller, what it is does, what is the difference between microcontroller and microprocessor? Microcontroller do the similar operation at the same time. Microprocessor will do the multiple tasks at the same time. So that is the difference between microcontroller and microprocessor. Okay. In this section, in our embedded system, what we are going to learn? So here, first we are going to learn basic programming language. Okay, because without knowing C programming, we cannot write an embedded system. Because of embedded system, we are going to write in embedded C. So for that basic language, we want to learn in C programming. So these are the topics we are going to cover. We are going to study in our embedded system. First, compilation stages, variable, data types, keywords, operator, etc., etc. We are going to learn. So after learning the C programming, what we are going to learn? We are going to learn about the hardware components. Okay, what are the hardware components we are using in our embedded system? Like relay, lights, 7-segment LED, LCDs, motors, sensors. We are going to learn all along. So first we are going to, in a microcontroller, we have a lot of sections we have. One is 8051. We are starting with the 8051. In this 8051, what we are doing? First, beginning, let me start with one small introduction about LED, and next buzzer, 7-segment LED, LCD, server, etc., etc. Keypad interface, calculator. We are going to discuss all. Okay. First, we are going to learn introducing software part. After that, we are going to interface with the hardware and how my software is working in a hardware. This we are going to discuss. Next, we are going to discuss protocols. Okay. What is protocols? Protocol is a communication device, one device to another device. Okay, I want to communicate my system, one device to another device. So that is a one system is called protocol. In this protocols, we have four type of protocols. One is UART, SPI, I2C, CAN protocols. Okay, UART is, it is a universal asynchronous transmitter and a receiver. SPI means serial peripheral interface. I2C, integrated circuit, and CAN, control area network. So we have this type of protocols we are going to learn in this. Okay. Next, once we completed 8051, our interfacing all we completed. Next we are moving into Arduino. So based on this, according to an Arduino board, we are going to practice all, that is many different kind of programs we are going to practice in this Arduino section, like a LED, 7-segment LCD, server, sensors, and OLEDs, temperature sensor, gas sensor, how it is working, proximity sensors. We are going to work in a practical. Okay, we have a lot of components. That components I want to interface with my microcontroller. That we are going to discuss in this Arduino section. Okay. After this, we are going to practice on LPC 2148, that is ARM. Okay. What is the difference between microcontroller, that is 8051, and ARM? Means in 80 controller we have a less number of port we have. In ARM we have a lot number of ports. Okay. In 8051 there is a lot of difference between, like in 8051 we can do the task, single task only we can do. In ARM we can do multiple tasks at the same time. So because of we have a lot of peripheral components designs. Okay. Next we are going to discuss PIC. In PIC 16F87877A. that microcontroller we are going to discuss. Okay, in this, what is this difference between 8051, ARM and PIC? We are going to discuss on that. In this also, we are going to practice on timer interfacing, ADC and DAC, LCD, SPI, like etc. We are going to practice on this. Okay. Next, we did everything we did. Next, the next level we are moving into the IoT. So we know about IoT. What is IoT? Is Internet of Things. Nowadays, all the devices controls by the internet only. Okay. For that internet, what all I can do? That is, we can control all devices by using and connecting an internet. For example, like a car parking system, human automation system, and motor interfacing. We can, according to this, we can do all type of projects we can do. Or for gas sensor and GPS, I can able to track where is my device. From sitting one place to another place, I can able to control my device. So that is the next level of embedded system, IoT. Okay. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you.